Hello guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my deepest secret when it comes to cooking this breadfruit you're seeing on your screen. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making breadfruit. Do not scroll away, stay put. Here I have my ukwa. It's been in my freezer for about 2 weeks. You can see how fresh it's still looking. I prefer preserving my ukwa this way rather than sun drying it. When you sun dry it, it does not only lose its taste, it also loses its flavor. I strongly recommend keeping it in the freezer. It can last up to 1 year as long as you have steady electricity. Right now, I've washed our okra up to 4 times to get rid of sands, dust, and stones. You wouldn't want to be eating this delicious, yummy recipe and you have stone battling with your mouth and teeth. While that is cooking, I added a lot of water so that it will cook until it becomes tender. I proceeded to washing our protein. For our protein, I'll be using our chicken lap. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. It could be fish, it could be meat, it could be beef, it could be anything at all you consider okay for you. I've added our all-purpose seasoning. Right now, I added our parsley flakes. Next, I'll be adding curry powder. Next, I'll be adding our rosemary, some bouillon, and a little salt to taste. I'll use my palm to massage gently to make sure all the flavor, all the spices goes in very well. And now I just added some dry chili flakes. Now I'll be adding water, just a little water because I didn't add water at the initial point. I allowed our protein to sweat out its own moisture. I'll be cooking for just 5 minutes. And 5 minutes later, our protein is tender enough. I'll proceed to adding it into our air fryer. For the air fryer, I'm using Kenwood air fryer. I've been using this air fryer for quite a long time without having any issue or any problem at all. I've set our air fryer for 36 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius, and while that is frying, I'll come back to check our protein. Now I added the liquid I got from my palm fruit stalk called ungo. It's still a very healthy replacement for potash account, which has a side effect. Our ukwa is still cooking and I just added a little vegetable oil into my pan, added some onion, some pepper and some tatashe. I'll fry it together. 5 minutes later, I came to add all my spices. For your spices, please feel free to add any spices at all, okay? I'll give it a quick stir and allow it to get dry a little. 36 minutes later, our air fryer is saying it's ready. Look at the color. I still want it to have this gold dark color. I'll set it back and continue the frying. 10 minutes later, I came back to check our okwa and it's very tender that even a newborn baby could chew it. I added some pepper, added some salt, went in with our sweet corn, and I added about 5 tablespoons of oil. I'm sorry I didn't capture that. Give it a stir for everything to combine together. At this point, our ukwa is ready. I tested to see if there was need to add any other thing. Of course, there was need to add a little more salt and I added that. Came back to check our protein and this is the color it's giving. The main reason I made this pepper sauce was specifically for that our ukwa. You want to have a spicy ukwa, right? Don't want to be tired of eating it. This is the way to go. Trust me, you will never get tired. This is the toughest secret. I've never made my ukwa without having a pepper mix. Try it and come back and thank me later. If you are still watching to this point, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed. And to all our new subscribers, I'm grateful to you guys. And for all our new subscribers, thank you so much. And I'll see you again.